This is how ZANU-PF at its corrupt and incompetent leaders have reduced the once prosperous country, previously sub-Saharan Africa's most industrialized nation after South Africa, to a spectacle like Great Zimbabwe ruins in its disastrous 45-year war. Saka ndamashiko buda panapa anyasi kuonekwa kunzi aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino seems like pane vanhu vari ngori on a brink kat a project yekungoluta chete ubva watova pasi. Inoda kukuti aiwa even maroads acho seari kubuda muthis video anoratidza kuti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe pashata. Kuti wasubscribe walike on the bell kuti chiona mavideos amuri kuona awa nyasi kuona kuti bhazi chairo chairo even nemota dziri kutotadza kutofamba muroad zvakanyatsa kunaka nokuda kweroad aiwa iri dilapidated. Panapa news box inobuda nyora chiti the Victoria Falls Bulawayo Highway, for instance, a major gateway that leads to a world famous tourist destination, is now virtually collapsed to a point of being unusable. The road in some sections has stopped to exit as a highway, and the motorists have to drive into the surrounding bushes to bypass its damaged surface and unnavigable potholes. Despite current efforts to rehabilitate the Bulawayo Victoria Falls Highway and other roads, Zimbabwe's vast road networks remain dilapidated. A monument to nation failure, the state of a country's critical infrastructure such as roads, airports, public buildings, offices and parks, public utilities and services like water, electricity and sanitation, and digital facilities are good and useful indicators of how a nation is governed and also how it is doing economically as well as in terms of development. Mashoko ari kubuda panapa achiexposa kuti aiwa panguva inoyi pana kuti road inolida aiwa kuVictoria Falls kunyatso kuonekwa kunzi ndiko nyika kwairi kutowana nako mari. Aiwa muona vanhu vanoene foreign currency and the likes vachiva vachiona and the likes, but panguva inoyi they are neglecting the way which is leading to the financial flow yenyika. Now vanhu vakutofamba vachitobuda nemabushes vachitotidza madilapidated and potholed roads. Mbodza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pina comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.